Hey everyone, I'm Theo Dorsey, and this is the Palm Beaches TV Now. Today we're spotlighting the return of an event that celebrates wellness, inspiration, and connection, the Eudemonia Summit. This incredible gathering is back November 13th through the 16th at the Palm Beach County Convention Center and the Hilton West Palm Beach, bringing together world-class speakers, activations, and experiences that focus on body, mind, and soul. To get you ready for the 2025 event, let's take a look back at 2024's transformative event with Linda Bright.
There's something about living here that leaves you feeling revitalized. And now the Palm Beaches are home to one of the largest health and wellness expos in the entire country, Eudemonia. In today's episode, we explore this giant 4-day wellness summit taking place in the heart of West Palm Beach at the Convention Center. We'll meet some of the top scientists, doctors, and wellness experts in the country, get an up-close look at the latest in biohacking, and learn why the Palm Beaches are quickly becoming a major destination for the wellness movement. And who better to start with than the founder of Eudemonia himself, Hess.
Well, the first thing I should probably tell you is how to pronounce it, which is eudaimonia. It's a slightly strange word, but I was very inspired by the concept. It's actually an ancient Greek term, refers to life well lived or just well-being, not just physical and mental, but also sort of in the sense of meaning or purpose or, why we're put here on this planet. So it's an inspiring term, but, obviously we kind of view health as something that without which you cannot have a meaningful life or a purposeful life. It's obviously the foundation, I think, to so much of what we are seeking. So for that reason, we've picked the crazy name.
Eudemonia, more like Eudemania. It's expected this 4-day conference will bring over 2,000 visitors from around the country to the Palm Beaches.
We're so excited to have the first event here in the Palm Beaches. And as I know, people have come from all over the country to this event. Very exciting. But let's talk a little bit about what's going on at the event, who's here, again, what inspired the event.
We divide the event into 2 parts. They're simply said things you can do and things you can learn. Things you can do would include all sorts of fitness modalities and meditation and breath work and yoga. So we have Soul Cycle here on site, so that's your mornings. And then the afternoons are very much spent in things you can learn. We have 110 speakers, so everyone from Dr. Mark Hyman and Andrew Huberman to the Perlmutter, David Perlmutter. There's a wide range of experts here, and I think there's really something for everyone.
Next, Cindy Hing gets hands-on with the summit's many activations. From interactive workshops to vibrant displays, she shows us how attendees can engage all of their senses.
Let's explore the Exposum and find out what is new in the world of health and wellness. Hi, doctor. Can you tell me about the hyperbaric chamber that your dad invented?
Yeah, of course. So this is the world's first portable hyperbaric chamber. And the concept here is to create a pressurized system that drives oxygen into your system on a molecular level. And in doing so, we can increase cellular ATP, so the energy that your cells need to function as they do. So this isn't like a stimulating energy, right? It's not like caffeine, but it's like fuel that your cells require to repair and recover, because our cells are innately already programmed to repair and recover.
And how long is the treatment?
Typically a session lasts anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes.
And how can people find you if they're interested in giving this a try?
Oh, they can find us on our website. So our website is www.oxyhealth.com. We'd really like to see how we can build this into your health journey and what you're looking to accomplish.
Danger coffee. What is so dangerous about it?
It's not really what's dangerous about the coffee, but how it makes you feel. After drinking a cup of Danger coffee, you feel like you can conquer your day. What's great about Danger coffee is that it's certified mold-free by a lab. It's tested. It also has added minerals, ancient minerals, and added in the roasting process to make you feel good.
I didn't know coffee had mold in it.
Yeah, so surprisingly, unfortunately, there are a lot of coffee companies out there that do have mold in their coffee. So we ensure that ours is tested by a lab in order to make sure you're putting in your body the cleanest possible coffee.
The Eudemonia Summit isn't just coming back, it's coming back bigger, brighter, and more impactful than ever. Mark your calendars for November 13th through the 16th at the Palm Beach County Convention Center and the Hilton West Palm Beach. And don't forget, you can catch episodes of The Bright Life of the Palm Beaches and Fest Quest of the Palm Beaches anytime on demand at thepalmbeaches.tv. I'm Theo Dorsey, and this has been the Palm Beaches TV Now. See you at the summit.